How to connect mic to Bandlab PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect and set up any microphone or headset to Bandlab on your PC. Whether you're recording vocals, podcasts, or instruments, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your microphone. First, plug your microphone into your PC. For USB microphones, connect them directly to a USB port. For 3.5mm jack microphones, plug into the pink microphone input. Step 2. Configure microphone settings in Windows. Next, set up your microphone in Windows. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Go to Recording. Right-click on your microphone and choose Set as the default device and Set as the default communication device. Speak into the mic to ensure the green bars move, indicating speaking up sound. Step 3. Access Bandlab in your browser. Open your browser and navigate to bandlab.com. Sign in or create a free account to access the Bandlab Studio. Step 4. Set up your microphone in Bandlab. Within Bandlab, 1. Click Create and select New Project. 2. Choose Voice Mic as your track type. 3. Allow your browser to access the microphone. 4. Click the gear icon near the microphone symbol to open settings. 5. Select your microphone from the input device drop-down menu. 6. Speak into the mic and observe the input meter to confirm it's receiving audio. And to start the recording, follow these steps. Click the red record button. Perform your vocals or play your instrument. Click stop when finished, and then press play to listen to your recording. And that's how you connect and set up a microphone in Bandlab on your PC. Now you're ready to start recording high quality audio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.